everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are making Tyrunt chocolate crinkle cookies. To begin with, we need 120 grams of plain flour, 90 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and it says a half teaspoon of salt, but you know me, I don't really measure it. This says to do it in a food mixer, which I don't have, so I just did it with an electric hand mix. We're going to, in a separate bowl, put 120 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of sugar, 110 grams of light brown sugar, and you're going to mix that together. It says for about 5 to 7 minutes. I would recommend having soft butter because my butter and sugar just went everywhere, as you'll probably see in a second. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love hearing from all of you, and let me know what you want to see next. Once you're happy that that's combined, we are going to add 1 egg and beat it until it's fully incorporated, which should take about 2 minutes. We will then add in our flour mix that we made earlier and beat that until it's a soft, sticky dough. It does say to cover the bowl and put it in the fridge for 3 hours. I didn't do that, I just stuck it in the fridge while I was making the icing for the cookies. To make our icing, we need 100 grams of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, I didn't measure it, I just stuck it all in, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 30 grams of softened butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Obviously, keep the orange juice to one side in case you need it, but mine was fine with just 1 tablespoon. You're then going to put that in a piping bag and put it in the fridge. We then need 30 grams of cocoa powder. I actually ran out, so I found some chocolate flakes in the cupboard. And it says icing sugar, but it doesn't say a quantity, so just make sure it kind of looks half and half. We're then portioning our cookie. It says with an ice cream scoop, which is meant to be 2 tablespoons, which I did, but this recipe says it makes about 18, and I think I made about 12, so it's up to you how you want to portion it. You're then going to roll it in that chocolate icing mix and put it on your baking tray. They are then going in the oven at 180 degrees C for 10 to 13 minutes. We are then going to be piping orange horns for Tyrunt on these cookies. Obviously, I didn't put my icing in the bag beforehand, but it was in the fridge, and I've only got a star nozzle. I don't know where the rest of my nozzles have gone, so these look really awful as well. But let me know how you get on if you make these. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.